First, I prepare 3 moderately ripe tomatoes. Using a knife, I cut a small piece off the top of each tomato to create a lid. Next, I use the tip of a sharp knife to gently score the inner rim. Then carefully scoop out the tomato pulp with a spoon, leaving only the skin to form tomato cups. Be gentle so you don't puncture the tomatoes. Next, I take out a baking sheet and brush a thin layer of oil on the bottom. Place the cut-off tomato tops on the sheet to serve as a base. Then set each tomato on top so they stand upright while baking. Setting them aside for now, I wash and finely chop a few scallions. Then sprinkle a little into the bottom of each tomato cup. Next, I dice 2 slices of bacon into small pieces. And divide them evenly among the 3 tomatoes. To make the dish richer and more flavorful, I cut 3 slices of cheese into small cubes and place them inside. Now prepare 3 fresh eggs and gently crack one into each tomato, making sure the yolk stays intact. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Season each tomato with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Then grate about 50 grams of cheese and spread it evenly over the surface. Finally, I place the baking sheet in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. If you prefer the yolks to be more thoroughly cooked, you can bake them for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting, I cracked 2 fresh eggs into a bowl. I added 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Then used a fork to beat the mixture until smooth. Next, I prepared 3 potatoes and 1 carrot that had been peeled and washed. I cut both the potatoes and the carrot into small, evenly sized pieces. And place them in a pot of boiling water. I boiled them for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until I could easily pierce the potatoes and carrots with a fork. Next, I peel and dice 1 onion. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I place a skillet on the stove, add a little cooking oil, and sauté the onion over medium heat until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, I mince 1 clove of garlic and add it to the pan, stirring for about 30 seconds until the garlic becomes fragrant. To add color and flavor to the dish, I wash and finely chop a few sprigs of cilantro. Then add them to the pan. I stir for about 1 minute before turning off the heat. By now, the tomato stuffed eggs with cheese are ready. I take the baking dish out of the oven. The golden, stringy cheese, the soft, sweet tomatoes blended with the bacon, and the rich, creamy eggs create an incredibly enticing flavor. Back to the potatoes and carrot, they're now tender. I transfer them to a large bowl and mash them until very smooth. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I added the ingredients we just sautéed to the bowl of potatoes and mixed everything together until well combined. Let the mixture cool for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepared 3 sausages and cut them in half to make 6 pieces of filling. Once the potato mixture had cooled, I divided it into 6 equal portions. I took 1 portion of the potato mixture, spread it thinly in the palm of my hand, placed half a sausage in the center, and gently wrapped it up. Then I rolled it into a ball or shaped it into an oval, whichever I preferred. I did the same with the remaining portions. I take out the bowl of beaten eggs and also prepare a separate bowl filled with breadcrumbs. One by one, I dip each potato patty into the egg mixture, then roll it evenly in the breadcrumbs so the coating is completely covered. This breadcrumb coating will make the patties crispier after frying. Now place the skillet on the stove and pour in enough oil to cover about half the height of the patties. When the oil is hot, I gently place each patty into the oil to fry over medium heat. Fry for about 2 minutes on each side, flipping gently so they brown evenly. The total frying time is about 4 to 5 minutes until the outer crust turns a golden brown and is beautifully crispy. Finally, I remove the cakes from the oil and place them on paper towels to drain. And there you have it, delicious sausage stuffed potato cakes. The crispy golden crust, combined with the rich sausage filling, makes for a simple yet irresistible snack or breakfast. So today, we've made 2 really interesting dishes together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.